Hey guys, I'm Majid. I hope all of you are fine. Today I'm going to tell you about the setting of AutoCAD 2007 drawing sheet. I hope you will enjoy my previous video. So let's start now. Go to the AutoCAD 2007. First of all, your first command is unit. Enter the command U and enter. Press OK. Then your next command dimension, enter D. Go to the modify. Your arrow size is 1 feet. Text height is also 1 feet. Then press OK and click on the set current. Here your drawing sheet is ready for work. I hope you will enjoy this video. For more these type of interesting videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks.